Premiere Pro, how to export audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC free tutorial. Drag the video or the audio file that you want to export onto the timeline. Next, click I on your keyboard or Control I to add an endpoint. Go to the end of the video clip and click O or Control O to add a endpoint. Next, click Control plus M on your keyboard to bring up the export settings. And as you can see here, under Formats, click the drop down arrow and you will see that you have a list of different options. Click the option right here, MP3, and then under presets, we have 128 kps. This is the lowest quality. So click the drop down arrow and click the third option, which has 256 kbs high quality. And as you can see under output name, save this whatever you want to save it on your desktop, and then click save, and then click right here, export. And then a bonus tip is that if you have an MP4 video file that you would like to save to audio, then drag it onto the timeline, keep existing settings, go to the end of the video clip, and then do the exact same thing. O or Control O to add an out point, and then Control plus M on your keyboard, and this will bring up the export settings. Make sure that the format is still MP3 or MP3 256 high quality. Save your video file and then export. Thanks for watching this free Adobe Premiere Pro CC tutorial. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel and share the video. I'm out.